Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to install Brave on your Google TV. And all I ask in return is for you to hit that like button and subscribe so you can see more content like this. As you probably already know, the Brave browser is not in the App Store, so you'll need to sideload it. In order to sideload apps, you'll need to turn on developer mode. To do that, go to Settings on the far right side. Go to System, go to About, scroll down to Android TV OS build, and tap that 7 times until you see a message that says, "You are now a developer." Now, go to the home screen. Pan over to the Apps tab, go to the search box, search for Downloader. Click on it, and click Install. When the installation is complete, don't launch it, because before sideloading any third-party apps, it's crucial that you connect to a VPN first. Third-party apps do not meet the Google Play Store requirements, so there's a good chance that these apps could see personal data that you don't want them to be seeing. I myself use NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and cheap. If you want to use it too, I have a discount link that gives you 3 months free. Go to nordvpn.com/landotech or click the link in my description below. Once you're logged into your VPN, go ahead and open up the Downloader app. Go to the text field and type the following: 8, 9, 2, 3, 9, 0, 9, and hit enter. Scroll down and click on the download button. The Brave browser will begin downloading. Click Settings, then scroll down and allow the downloader to install apps from unknown sources. Now click Install. After the installation is complete, launch it. If the Brave app isn't your favorite browser and you prefer Google Chrome instead, then you can watch this video right here to learn how to install Google Chrome on your Google TV.